Thank you, Sean. As Sean noted, my name is Tom Dugan, and I lead our product management organization here at Benefitfocus. Over the last 10 years, I've had the opportunity and the pleasure to meet with many of you working on our product strategy for employers, for carriers, for brokers, system integrators, our great partners, and really the platform as a whole. And over the next few minutes, I want to give you guys a view into some of the awesome stuff we did in 2016, and really where we're focused in 2017 and beyond. Now, any conversation related to the platform starts with a pretty simple acknowledgement. We're operating in a complex market, a complex industry, and we're in a period of ongoing regulatory change, where each new regulation, as Sean noted, really just kind of layers on top of the last, adding additional complexity that benefits teams have to navigate. Additionally, we're in this really decades-long shift where employees are being asked to take on more responsibility for how they manage their benefits, how they navigate the healthcare space. And as a result, benefits teams, you're adding more benefits to give them a more comprehensive package, more voluntary benefits, financial wellness programs, health advocacy programs to really help guide them through the healthcare space, even nutrition management programs. And as a result, you're now dealing with more vendors than you ever have before, maybe 20, 30, even 40 vendors as the benefits team alone. So someone has to solve this complexity to help navigate through it, and that can be done via people and manual processes. It can be done via technology or a really thoughtful combination of the two. And we've seen really over the last 20, 30 years how technology has enabled the dramatic productivity improvements across workforces through automating tasks that maybe have been paper or manual in the past. And we saw this with personal computing in the 80s and 90s, which completely changed the way businesses operate and run. Cloud computing in the 2000s, which changed the way we store and manage data, the way we build and run products, and enabled the concept of a single code base where a shared community of customers could run on that single code base and really just evolve it together collectively. And now mobile computing, which has changed the way we as consumers act and behave, but also the way we navigate, manage our businesses, and communicate with one another. Now, we believe passionately and really fundamentally that technology has the power to simplify the complexity that exists within the benefits space. We believe that you, your employees, your customers, you deserve all of your benefits in one place. And to do that, it takes immense investment. This is an ever-changing landscape of really what the definition of benefits is, and it takes an enterprise benefits management platform to really provide that support. Now, the true test of the platform is its ability to handle volume, scale, flexibility, and adaptability as change occurs. And in 2016, across the entirety of our portfolio, all of our data exchange transactions, enrollment, deductions, payments, we processed more than 1.9 billion data exchange transactions. And that's for more than 100 different benefit types. Now, what we realize, though, is behind each of these is something really important. There's a decision being made here. It's a decision being made by a family to protect themselves when they need it most. It's the decision to buy coverage for when someone gets sick or when someone gets hurt, someone they deeply care about. It's a deduction amount that has to be accurate to ensure that a family can pay their monthly bills, that they can set aside enough savings for the future and for their children's education. And it's with a deep appreciation and recognition of this that really drives our shared priorities. A focus on system performance so that people can navigate the experience at really the pace that they choose and want so they can make the best decisions possible. A focus on data accuracy so that as someone is navigating those choices, the information we provide them is accurate and correct. And then as they make those decisions, the results of those are distributed to downstream systems like payroll systems, carrier enrollment systems accurately. And data timeliness to ensure that when someone needs coverage, they're covered. When they're at the doctor, when they're at the pharmacy picking up a prescription, they have coverage. And a visibility for you so you understand what's happening throughout the entirety of the platform. Now, Sean talked about some of the phenomenal things we did with system performance. That blistering pace is happening within the experience today. And I'd like to talk to you guys about some of the great stuff we did in 2016 related to visibility and this driving our focus on data accuracy. Now, one of the things we heard in working with our community, our advisory councils, and at One Place local events is you wanted more visibility in when files were moving in and out of the platform. So you could have an understanding of when your payroll file was going to be sent or when a carrier enrollment file would be sent. And as a result, in 2016, as part of One Place 365, we launched the data dashboard. Let's take a look at the data dashboard now. So the data dashboard is available via One Place 365 to all customers, all benefits administrators, carriers. And what it provides you is this really intuitive calendar view, so that on any given day, you can see the files that we're loading and the files that we're sending. This includes your carrier enrollment files, your deduction files. For our carrier partners, your GMAX and your IMAX files. And what makes this more than just about visibility is that we're giving you an opportunity to engage in a conversation about accuracy and quality by rating the files, confirming the quality of those files. And if you ever have questions or concerns about a given file, you can create a one-place 365 case directly via the data dashboard, and a member of our customer success organization will work with you to resolve any of those questions or concerns. This is a powerful tool available to all of our customers today to get a view into the data moving in and out of the Benefitfocus platform. And now I'd like to take a look at a specific area of our data exchange portfolio, and that's our payroll integration offering. Now, payroll integration is the capability within the platform that facilitates the calculation of the deduction amounts associated with benefit enrollments and then sends them to your payroll systems. And this is another where we heard from our community, our advisory councils, and at a couple of our one-place locals, you really wanted more visibility into the specific deduction amounts that are being calculated on the platform and to be able to see those before payroll files are sent. And as a result, in 2016, we created the deduction dashboard. So let's take a look at the deduction dashboard now. So the deduction dashboard is available to benefits administrators of employers that are using our latest payroll integration framework. And what it provides for you is the ability to look at one or many pay periods across one or many benefits. And you can see the specific deductions being calculated along with any adjustments. Like in this case, there's a retroactive adjustment that's been calculated. Now, sometimes exceptions occur, so you can make manual changes here on the deduction dashboard, as in this case, we'll distribute that retroactive adjustment through multiple pay periods. I can easily see that change reflected on the deduction dashboard and have confidence in the accurate deduction calculations that are happening within the platform. So as I said, the deduction dashboard is available now to customers on our latest payroll integration framework. Now, to learn more about our deduction dashboard, payroll integration, and One Place 365, we have an awesome session lined up for you tomorrow, where you'll get to hear from some of our leaders in our data services organization, our engineering organization, and also one of our great customers is going to talk about how they're using the data dashboard today in their benefits operations.